Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to view the actual battery health percentage on Samsung phones, similar to iPhones. So watch the video until the end. So let's start. At first open your phone app and dial this code. This will open a hidden settings menu. Then find DumpState/Logcat and click on it. Wait for 4-5 minutes. Then click on OK. Once it's finished, tap Copy to SD card. After that, exit the menu and open the Play Store. Search for the Log app and install it. Open the app and tap the option to browse files. Go to your internal storage. Since you copied the files to the SD card location, you should see a folder named Log. Open it. Scroll down and look for a file named DumpState. Tap on the file. It's a text file, so don't worry. Use the search option and search for mSavedBatteryAsoc. Without spaces. Then click on the down arrow to reach the result. There, you will see your actual battery health percentage. Mine shows 100% because I recently replaced the battery. Let me know your battery health percentage in the comments. And thanks for watching.